Dear students, this is our fourth video on the chapter relation and function. So in this we will solve some problem on one and on two functions. So now see here. Let A is equal to, it is 1, 2, 3. B is equal to, it is 4, 5, 6, 7. Let F is equal to, it is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Be a function from A to B. A to B, show that F is 1, 1. Now, look here, for such type of problem, it is better to draw the arrow diagram. So here, this is the set A, it is the set B. So 1, 2, 3, it is 4, 5, 6, 7, set A, set B, and this correspondence is F here. The image of 1 is 4, the image of 1 is it is 4, 2 is 5, 3 is 6. Now see here, distinct element of A have distinct images in B under F. Therefore F must be odd, or it is 1, 1. So we should write the reason, since distinct element of A have distinct images in B. Therefore F is 1. So this is the function problem for this. Now next problem. If F R to R defined by Fx is equal to, it is 3 minus 4x. State whether F is bijection. So bijection means we know already. The bijection is a function which have the property of 1, 1 and on to both. Let us check up first 1, 1. So we write 1, 1. Now let F of x1 is equal to it is F of x2. Now by that we can write 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. Subtracting 3 both the sides, we get minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Dividing by minus 4, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, it is F of x1 is equal to F of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, F is 1, 1. F is 1, 1. Now let us check up for the onto. See here, onto. Let F of x is equal to y. 3 minus 4x is equal to y. Minus 4x is equal to y minus 3. It is multiplying by minus y. Minus dividing by 4. It is 3 minus y by 4. Now at this point, we have to see that whatever the value of x we have opted here, this is there in R or not. you know clearly it is a real number. So for every y belongs to it is r, so therefore it belongs to r. That is, for every x belongs to it is r, we have x is equal to 3 minus y belongs to it is r, such that fx is equal to r. Therefore f is onto also. When f is 1 1 and onto, therefore f is a bijection. F is a bijection. Prove that. Therefore here we got 1 1 and we got onto, and because whenever a function is 1 1 and onto both, it must be a bijection. We prove it here. Next problem. A function f r to r defined by it is fx is equal to 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. State whether f is bijection. Bijection or not. Now that is, let us first check up for 1 1 and then we'll check up for onto. Look here, 1 1. Here let f of x1 is equal to it is, here instead of that we can, whenever we have to disprove a thing, we can give a counter example. So here in this case also, let us try to give a counter example. Now you see here, if you take in particular f x is equal to 1, then you see here it is 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. And let us take minus 1. So 1 plus it is minus 1 square, that is also 2. So the value of f of 1 and f of minus 1 both are 2. So therefore f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, but we cannot say that 1 is equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore by the counter example it is clear that f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Now for onto function, let fx is equal to it is y. Now substitute the value of fx. 1 plus x square is equal to it is y, or x square is equal to y minus 1, or x is equal to plus or minus it is y minus 1. Now at this point we have to see that for any value of y, whether this belongs to the real number or not. Now you see, if y is less than 1, then automatically it will be a complex number. It will become a complex number and it not will be a real number. Therefore, it does not belong to it is r here. It does not belong to it is r here. Therefore, for every x belongs to r, there does not exist. It is 1 y minus 1 plus 1 y which belongs to it is r, such that it is f of x is equal to y. Therefore, f is not onto. When it is neither 1 1 nor onto, it cannot be bijection. So f is neither 1 1 nor onto. So it is not bijection. It is not bijection. That is the requirement. Let Fn to n be defined by f of n is equal to, it is n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. N is odd. N by 2 if n is even. State whether f is a bijection. State whether or not f is bijection. Now here let us check up for 1 1 and R. 1 1 let us check up. 1 1. Let now here in this problem also we, for this 1 1 problem we check up for a counter example. Now giving counter example, let we will see what is the value of f of 1. F of 1 is equal to, it is 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 means it is 1. Because 1 is odd number, we have to apply this condition. Now f of 2 is an even number, we have to apply this condition, that is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. You can see f of 1 is equal to, it is f of 2. But we cannot say that 1 is equal to 2, 1 is not equal to 2. Images are same, but elements are not same. Therefore, f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Now we have to check up for onto. For onto, there are two conditions. Let us consider each separately. So here, case 1. Let n be odd. When n is odd means n is of the form, it is 2r plus 1. You know, every odd number is expressed as 2n plus 1. Because n is already there, we have taken r. For some r belongs to it is n, where r belongs to it is n. We take this here. Therefore, here you see f of n is equal to, it is y. 2r plus 1 is equal to y. 2r is equal to y minus 1. R is equal to y minus 1 by 2. Here we have to see that whether this type of the element belongs to the set of natural number or not. Naturally it is a fractional type. It does not belong to n here. Therefore we can write f is not 1 1. Sorry, f is not onto if it is odd number. Now let us check up for even number. Let n be even. When n is even, every even number is expressed as in terms of r. For some r belongs to, it is n. R belongs to, it is here. Now you see here, it is f of n is equal to y. It is y. So f of n is equal to y. Then n is equal to, it is n by, f of n is n by 2 is equal to y. N is equal to, it is 2y, which belongs to n. Therefore, it is on. It is on. We observe that f is not 1 1 in all cases, even or odd. So here it is, when it is even number, it is onto is there. When it is odd number, it is not onto. F is neither. Therefore, in generally we say that f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Therefore, it is not bijection. Therefore, f is not bijection. F is not bijection. That is the solution for this problem. Next problem. let A is equal to R minus it is 3. B is equal to R minus 1. Consider the function fa to b defined by fx is equal to, it is x minus 2 by x minus 3. Is f 1 1 and R2 1 1 and R2? Justify your answer. So now justify your answer. Here it is. First let us check up for the one-oneness of the function. One-oneness. Now let f of x1 is equal to f of it is x2. What is the meaning of that? x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. By cross multiplication, x1 minus 2, x2 minus 3 is equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Now multiply x1 into x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6 is equal to, here also, x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus it is 6. Now you can see x1 x2 cancel with x1 x2 and here plus 6 also cancel with plus 6 here. Now minus 3x1 plus 2x1 is equal to, here it is minus 3x2 plus 2x2. Now it is minus x1 is equal to minus x2 or x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, now we can write here, therefore f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Now we have to check up that f is onto or not. Discuss about the onto function. On. Now let us suppose x1 is equal to x. So let f of x is equal to y. Now the value of f of x is given by, it is x minus 3 is equal to y, or x minus 2 is equal to, it is x minus 3 into y. We can write this as xy minus 3y, x minus 2. So here it is x minus xy, look here, is equal to minus 3y plus 2. We can take x common. 1 minus y is equal to minus 3y plus 2, or x is equal to minus 3y plus 2 by 1 minus y. Now you see, or we can write that x is equal to, it is 2 minus 3y by, it is, if you take minus common, it is 1. If you take minus common, it divided by, it is 1 minus y. Now you see, we have to see at this point that whether this quantity belongs to this or not. You know, already 1 is removed from the R. So whatever quantity is there, that must be a real number only. It must belong to B. Therefore we write, for every x belongs to A, there exists it is 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y belongs to B such that it is such that f of x is equal to 1. Therefore, f is on. We see that f is both 1 1 and on 2. Therefore, we can say that f is a bijection. F is a bijection. Next problem. Show that FA to B and GB to C are 1 1. Then G composition of A to C is also 1 1. Here still we have not defined regarding the composition. We will define composition now for present because we have to solve this problem. See here, a function, the composition, it is called G composition F. G composition F is defined as G of F of x. Simple thing is there, G of F of x. So therefore, here it is given that F is 1 1, G is 1 1. So we write, since F and G are 1 1, they are 1 1 means what? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x. If G is also 1 1 means what? G of x1 is equal to, it is G of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. It is given where x1 x2 belongs to A and this belongs to B. Now look here, we have to consider this. Consider it is G composition F of x1, G composition F of x2. Now by the definition of composition of function, we can write G of F of x1. G composition F means G of F of x1 is equal to G of F of x2. See here, G of x1 is equal to G of x2 means x1 is equal to x2. What it implied? It implies that F of, here it is, since G is 1 1, G is 1 1, therefore we can write F of x1, the elements are only f of x1 is equal to f of x. Again, f is also 1 1, therefore x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, G of x1, G composition f of x1, G composition f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, G composition f is also 1 1. Therefore, we can write implies G composition f of x2 implies it is x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, G composition f A to C is also, it is 1 1 proved. 1 1 proved. Next problem. F A to B and G B to C are onto. Then G composition F A to C is also onto. We have to prove this. Now here we take this. It is onto. Now let us draw this here. Suppose this is the set A, it is the set B, it is the set C. The function between A and B is F. The function between B and C is, it is G here. Now suppose Z is an arbitrary number which belongs to C. and here it is y and here x is the arbitrary when it comes to x and y. Now because G is onto, therefore for every z belongs to C, there exists a number y such that gy is equal to it is here z. So let z belongs to C be arbitrary. Now here it is. Since G is onto, therefore for every z belongs to C, there exists y belongs to B such that it is g of y, the image of y is z here. Image of y under G is z here. Also f is onto. F is onto means what? For every y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A such that it is f of x is equal to it is y. F of x is equal to it is y. Now consider it is G composition f of it is x, suppose. By the definition of this, it will be G of f of x. But G of f of x is equal to what it is value? It is y here. And G of y is equal to what we have? Z. So therefore, for every z belongs to it is C, there exists x belongs to A such that G composition f of x is equal to z. Clearly, therefore G composition f is also on. That will be the required problem.